So, yeah, do some karaoke? Yeah, I don't think I sing that good. Oh well, you're gonna hear it anyway. Now, I do not own this song, so Josh Groban does. Who can say for certain? Maybe you're still here. I see you all around me. Your memory's so clear. Deep in stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are mine forever, love? And you are watching over me from above. Not to where you are beyond the distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile. If only for once to know you're there. A breath away is not far where you are. Are you gently sleeping here inside my dream? And isn't faith believing a power can't be seen? As my heart holds you just one beat away, I cherish all you gave me every day. 'Cause you are mine forever, love, watching me from above. And I believe that angels breathe, and our love will abide and to see you smile. If only for to know you're there. A breath away is not far where you are. I know you're there. A breath away is not far where you Now, I know that probably sounded like crap, but trust me, it sounded better on my side. In my opinion, I made my mom cry, which my mom was so. Anyway, yeah, did I do good? I don't know, but I had to sing hi. So yeah.